Welcome to Business News. I am Yusuf Akogu. Nigeria's annual inflation rate ticked up to 34.19% in June. On a month-on-month basis, headline inflation grew by 0.17% to 2.31% in June 2024 from 2.14% in May 2024, which is the first increase after two broad-based declines since October 2023. A report by the National Bureau of Statistics added that food inflation also increased to 40.87% on a year-on-year basis, which was 15.62% point higher compared to the 25.25% recorded in June 2023. According to NBS, the rise in food inflation was caused by increases in prices of garri, guinea corn, bread, yam, groundnut oil, palm oil, amongst others. Food inflation was higher in June 2024 at 2.55%, which shows a 0.26% increase compared to the 2.28% recorded in May 2024. NBS report revealed that food inflation was highest in Bauchi at 43.95%, Kogi 39.91%, and Oyo 39.15%, while Borno 25.90%, Benue 27.52%, and Katsina 29.21% recorded the slowest rise in headline inflation on a year-on-year basis. The Nigerian autonomous foreign exchange market has recorded a $1.03 billion surge in total foreign exchange turnover. The significant increase was largely attributed to strategic interventions by the Central Bank of Nigeria (CBN). The figure represents a 40% rise from the previous turnover of $740.92 million. According to data from FMDQ, this milestone marks the first time weekly FX turnover has surpassed $1 billion since the first week of June 2024, when it reached $1.05 billion. The Director of Financial Markets at CBN, Omolara Duke, disclosed that the Apex Bank sold $69.5 million, $55.17 million, and $122.67 million to 27, 19, and 46 authorized dealers last week. The CBN urged all authorized dealers to ensure that foreign exchange purchases from the bank are exclusively used for trade-backed transactions, which must be reported within 72 hours. NGS opened the week in green as investors are taking advantage of the ongoing IPOs by banks to boost their portfolios. Let's see how it went down today. Top gaining equities there. Curtis Nigerian PLC up there 9.96% to close at 5 naira and 8 kobo per share. Ikeja Hotels also up there 9.45% to close at 6 naira and 95 kobo per share. Of course, Royal X also up as well 8.96% to close at 73 kobo per share. Of course, this has pushed up the market up marginally though 0.24% there. If you look at the volume of trade there, 355.627 million shares were traded today. In terms of value, 7.26 billion naira in a days of 8,223 did exchanges among investors this morning, the first trading day of the week. The top leading equities in terms of volume, Jitco Nigeria PLC leading that table there, 66.736 million shares traded. Access Corporation 44.285 million shares. Of course, FCMB 25.785 million shares. It also traded. All banking sectors are fair, you will see. Of course, some equities ended on the losing side of the market. Shelaram Nigeria PLC lead that table with 9.76% downward there to close at 3 naira and 70 kobo per share. Wapik, an insurance company, down 7.5% as well to close at 74 kobo per share. Of course, Abe, a microfinance bank, down as well 7.04% to close at 2 naira and 51 kobo per share there. That's the highlight of stock trading as it went down this Monday on the floor of NGS. Let's see the global stock market and exchange rate data for today. Oil held its ground on Monday as downward pressure from concern about demand in top importer China offset support from strong demand elsewhere, OPEC Plus supply restraint, and geopolitical tensions in the Middle East. At the London market, Brent crude sells for $85 per barrel. For the OPEC basket, merchants offer $85 per barrel. And that's business. I am Yusuf Akogu.